Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Spanish Town and surrounding areas are set to receive a major economic boost over the next few months following a multi-million-dollar investment. The MJS Industrial and Technology Park was launched today. Details in this report.
What was once a decaying site in the heart of Spanish Town has been transformed into a $50 million special economic zone. The MJS Industrial and Technical Park, Jamaica's only fully industrial facility, officially opened today and is already home to several BPO firms and government agencies.
We have currently 320,000 square feet of building that was built out completely within the last 2 years, and it's 100% tenanted now. And we're employing at the moment 2,800 people, and once the tenants are completely finished with the rest of their build out, we're going to end up with approximately 5,000 employees.
Designed to drive productivity and growth, as part of the wider development plan, a passenger train service that passes through the area is expected to increase access for consumers and ease traffic congestion.
So in the next phase that we're doing, we're going to be building a huge factory, and that factory is going to need raw material coming in, and it's going to come through Port Esquivel, and the train runs directly from Port Esquivel directly to our facility. And then when they produce things, the manufactured goods will then go back out the reverse with exported finished product goods. So that train track will be used not just for passengers, but also for industrial purposes.
Mayor of Spanish Town Norman Scott says this development demonstrates what excellent partnership can bring.
With this new advent of this park, it is something bringing back the old days of the textile Argon Harbor mills, and I'm very proud to be part of this development as mayor of the town.
This, he says, will also strengthen Jamaica's value proposition as a competitive destination for investment and innovation.
I'm told by the stakeholders of this place that they have acquired all the lands that are in and around this area, and there's quite a lot of other lands that are available for further development.
Deirdre Thomas, TVJ News.
Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica Limited has reported a net loss of $12 million for the financial year, which ended December 31, 2024, reversing the $13 million net profit posted in 2023. The decline came despite higher revenues, rising costs, and finance expenses that weighed on overall performance. According to the company's audited financial statements, revenue climbed by 5.5% to $1.6 billion, up from $1.51 billion in 2023. Gross profit also increased to $582.5 million compared to $561.4 million in the previous year. However, increased selling and distribution expenses and administrative costs, along with higher depreciation, eroded operating margins. The JSE index declined by 2,129 points, while the junior market index declined by 22 points. The winners include Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, KLE Group, The Lab, ISP Finance Services, and R.A. Williams Distributors. The losers include Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Sterling Investments, and Wysinco Group, 23 stocks traded firm. To some foreign trading now. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.13. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.99. The pound is going for $217.95, while the euro is selling for $187.74. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.